In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall 1password. We'll walk through removing the app from your iPhone's home screen and confirming the delete so it's completely gone from your device. This process is quick. And if you ever need the app again, you can reinstall it from the App Store and sign back into your account. Deleting the app removes its local data on this device, but it doesn't delete your account or any vault stored in the cloud. First, head to your home screen. If you're inside another app, swipe up to go home on newer iPhones or press the home button on older models. Find the 1password icon. It typically looks like a keyhole in a blue circle. Next, tap and hold the 1password app icon. After a moment, a small menu will appear right next to the icon. On some versions of iOS, you might also see the icon start to wiggle. Either way is fine. The long press is the key action here because it brings up the options you need to remove the app. From that menu, choose Remove App. This tells your iPhone you want to take action on the app itself, not just rearrange it. If you don't see Remove App immediately, keep holding for a second longer until the menu appears. You'll now see a prompt with a couple of choices. Select Delete App. This is the important distinction. Removing an app from the home screen only hides it, but choosing Delete App actually uninstalls it from your device. Since the goal is to uninstall 1password, make sure you pick Delete App on this prompt. Finally, confirm the action by tapping delete on the confirmation message. This step finalizes the uninstall. Your iPhone will remove the 1password app and any data stored locally on this device. If your vaults were synced to your account online, they remain safe there. If you reinstall later, just sign back in to regain access. And that's it. The app is removed. A quick tip. If you ever intended only to hide the app and still see it in the app library, that means you chose remove from home screen instead of delete app. In that case, repeat the process from the app library and confirm delete. Also, if you previously used 1password for autofill, iOS will default back to its built-in options after uninstalling. You can always re-enable 1password for autofill if you reinstall the app. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you're all set with a clean uninstall of 1password. And you can reinstall or move on knowing it's fully removed from your device.